Hello everyone, this is Rachel with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and I have been asked how to fold a fitted sheet for a bed. So I'm going to show how I do it. So I'm going to turn you down here. This is not my favorite camera stand. So it may wiggle and jiggle and fall or whatever. But anyway, for it to be mobile, that's the one I have to use. So let me show you. I just changed my sheet. So I said, well, while I was getting them out to fold them, I would jump on here and show y'all, being someone had asked me to make a video of it. So this is my fitted sheet. I love these sheets. They have the elastic and they're deep fit. I have a tall bed and I love these sheets now. I get these from LTD Commodities. They're around $50 for king size. I think I paid $59. Every once in a while they'll run them on sale for like $49. Anyway, they're really soft. You can use them several years before they ever start to wear. I've got about 3 sets. So what I do is I get it turned right, and I get 2 corners together, and I poke my finger or my hand in the corner. Okay, then we'll lay that out. We'll go here and get these 2 corners lined up. Okay. Now, so I have all 4 corners. I have it folded in half, and then 2 corners over here and 2 corners over here. Then I'm going to put all 4 corners together and just fold them like that. So now I have all my 4 corners right here. And that's when I lay it down. Trying to make sure I can still see y'all. Y'all can still see me in the camera. It's a little weird. Let me make sure, yeah, I think y'all can see. Okay, so then I lay it out like this. And folding them on the bed is the best place I have found. So now, this line is going to be straight. This line is going to be somewhat straight over here. So the top is going to be kind of shorter, because that's where my all my gathering and all is for all the 2 sides. So now I'm going to pull this side in just a little bit, because I want to get it kind of straight, and it's not going to be straight in the middle, but that doesn't matter. I want my edges as straight as I can get them. Okay, so then I'm going to pull this over like this. So now that all looks pretty square or rectangle. We'll flip it over, fold over 1 and 2, and then fold over this way. So that's my fitted sheet. My flat sheet, I think, is pretty much everybody knows how to handle a flat sheet, but I've got to fold it anyway, so let's just fold it. But the fitted sheet, you just get your corners together, 2 and 2, and then put all 4 together and kind of get it, in as much of a square as you can, and then fold it. Now some people take their pillowcases and put their sheets inside of a pillowcase, and then they have the whole set. Hey, y'all can see we get pillows and pillows and pillows. I think my husband has 3 pillows. I have 2. So we're always getting more pillowcases than sheets and stuff. So I have to leave my pillowcases out because we're gonna be using them far more and changing them far more. Okay, I'm getting all my edges straight here. Honestly, the flat sheet's almost harder for me because I'm so short and they're so big. We have a king size bed, so there you go. And that's how I do my sheets. And there's my fabric softener sheet. So let me show you. I didn't think about this, but I'll show y'all my bedspread. If you have like a tall bed, let me see. It's backwards for me, so we have a tall bed. And it took me about 3 years to order a bedspread because I've always had comforters. And when I bought this bedroom suite from my sister, she had a comforter and all on it, and I just used it. But it was corduroy and it was thick and it's beautiful. And I won't get rid of it, but it's too heavy, and we never used it. It always ended up at the end of the bed. So let me show y'all this bed skirt. I think it's about 30 inches long. So, like, I was going to try to show you how tall it is compared to me. But anyway, it comes up to about right here on me, up on my hips. So, anyway, we do have a tall bed. But this, I was going to try to show you the pattern in it. It's a ticking pattern. I love it. There, you can get a good eye on that. It's black and tan. There's a good way to see it. But anyway, I got it from Amazon. So if you're looking for a good, let's see if I can get this back up here without disconnecting anything. I don't know what you would call a farmhouse type, you know, a country look or whatever. I love this ticking because it just looks retro. Looks vintage. I like the ticking material. It's not thick. It's kind of like it's got a layer. It's lined back here. So it's got a layer back here and a layer on top. And then it feels like it may have a thin layer in between. But it's thin enough that we can cover up with it with our sheet and we're fine because we turn the temperature down at night. Even in the winter, it's cool in the house at night because I breathe better. But this is a nice bedspread. And of course, I bought the this little throw pillow cover. It's all covers. It's not the pillow. It's the cover. I bought it. I bought 2 of these square ones, and then I bought 2 sets of the pillow shims, and they got big ruffles on the side. I'll put the link if y'all want to look at it. If you're looking for something if you've got a tall bed and you're, you know, like me, I spent several years debating on what to get because I was scared of it not being tall enough, not being long enough, because I didn't want a bed skirt, because we have the bed that it raises up and goes down. So I can't use a bed skirt no more. So I like that, and I like that it's not thick. One more time, I'll show you the curtains. Hit the chair. Let's see. There's the curtains. I got the little valance, and then I got the curtains. And they have like it's hard when the camera's backwards, like a little ruffle on the bottom. There we go. Y'all, I'm sorry. This is crazy. I am so sorry. But I tried to get it backwards so that it would be right facing y'all. But anyway, I bought the bedspread and all, and the pillow covers 1 year for Christmas. That was my Christmas. Arlen gave me the money, and he said, if you want it, go ahead and get it. So I ordered that 1 year, and then that was, what is this, 22? That was Christmas for 2020. And then Christmas 2021, it was after Christmas, I bought myself the curtains, and then I bought 2 more sets of curtains for the living room. So I'm even using those curtains. There you go. You can see them over there. Those curtains for my living room also. And they're just like the bedding. It's got that ticking material. And I got the black color, but it's not like a loud black. It's muted. So anyway, I was just going to show you all that, because I guess I was in here, and anybody that has a tall bed, and ours I think is about 30 inches tall. So it's quite tall. But anyway, that's just how I fold my fitted sheets, and how I do them. But somebody had asked me how to fold a fitted sheet, so that's how I do it. So I hope this was helpful, and y'all get to crafting, make something beautiful, and I will see y'all in the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.